You pack the blender with spinach, almonds, and seeds, hit the switch, and drink down what is supposed to be the ultimate daily health habit. We are told constantly that plants heal, yet you follow the rules, drink the greens, and within hours your digestion halts, your energy crashes, and your joints are aching. To find the missing piece of this puzzle, we have to look at the plant's own biological objective. In nature, every organism has a strategy to ensure it isn't easily consumed. Because a leaf or a seed cannot run away, hide, or physically fight off a predator, plants have spent millions of years refining a different kind of armor: sophisticated chemical warfare. By drinking a massive blended dose of raw greens, you are delivering a highly concentrated payload of these biological defense weapons directly into your gut. If we break down what is actually in this glass, the chemical threat becomes visible. The spinach and almonds bring our first major line of defense: oxalates. Inside the body, oxalates form sharp, microscopic crystals. They lodge into tissues and act like tiny shards of glass, which is often the direct cause of chronic joint pain. Then we look at the seeds. Seeds are packed with a compound called phytates. Watch how they operate inside the digestive tract. They act as active mineral thieves, latching onto and trapping essential nutrients like zinc, iron, and magnesium. Once trapped, those minerals pass right through you. Your cells are starved of the raw materials they need, which steadily tanks your baseline energy levels. These ingredients are not providing fuel. They are actively stealing your existing resources and causing microscopic structural damage. The assault continues with lectins. These are complex protein toxins, specifically engineered by nature to survive the highly acidic environment of the human stomach. Look at the gut lining. As lectins pass through, they attach like burrs to the delicate cellular walls, tearing the tissue. Once breached, foreign food particles spill into the bloodstream. The immune system detects the intrusion and attacks, triggering severe autoimmune reactions and systemic inflammation. The disruption doesn't stop in the gut. It spreads to the endocrine system through secondary toxins known as goitrogens and isoflavones. These compounds operate as hormone hijackers. They block normal thyroid function and throw your entire metabolic balance off course. That healthy daily drink acts as a multi-front chemical assault. It destroys gut integrity, triggers autoimmune alarms, and suppresses the exact hormones required to produce energy. The standard advice is that you can cook, soak, or ferment your way around this problem, but traditional preparation methods only scratch the surface. They reduce a fraction of the toxicity, and they fail against the modern habit of consuming massive volumes of raw, unfermented greens. Look at the cover for the book Beyond Oxalates. It provides a detailed map of this hidden landscape, identifying the specific toxins lurking in the foods we are told to eat every day. No amount of modern food prep changes the core reality. The sheer volume of defended plants in our daily diets is biologically incompatible with human digestion. Understanding this hidden chemistry brings profound clarity. It removes the confusion of chronic illness and provides a way forward. The biological antidote is returning to a proper human diet, built primarily around animal foods: meat, fish, eggs, and fats. Animal foods heal the body because they lack these chemical defense systems. They don't fight back when you eat them. Once you remove the plant toxins, the timeline of recovery is predictable. Systemic inflammation drops. The gut lining finally repairs itself. Baseline Angie stabilizes. Vibrant health returns when you stop forcing your body to process foods biologically designed to fight back. Because when it comes to nutrition, chemistry doesn't lie.